Water is life. Every cell in the human body depends on water to survive. As water enters the body, hydration begins instantly. In the stomach, it helps maintain balance and supports digestion. Water then moves into the intestines, where it is absorbed into the bloodstream. This water carries oxygen and essential nutrients to the brain, heart, muscles, and organs. The brain becomes sharper and more focused. Muscles stay flexible and energized. Water helps regulate body temperature and removes toxins through natural processes. The heart works more efficiently when the body is properly hydrated. Skin appears healthier, fresher, and more alive. But dehydration causes fatigue, low energy, and poor concentration. Even mild water loss can affect the entire body. Drink enough water every day. Hydrate your body. Protect your health. Stay alive with water.